Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301796, and this is a 2026 GMC Yukon Elevation, and our color is Titanium Rush. So let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got. All right, so we got power windows, mirrors with folding mirrors, power locks, memory seat with a power driver's seat and lumbar support. Got our parking brake, lane keep assist, parking assist, auto start stop, traction control, camera, advanced parking assist, 4x4 controls, interior and exterior lighting controls. Our steering wheel features forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free, stereo remote controls, and heat. Got the new shifter. We are satellite radio ready. We've got electronic dual and rear climate control with heated front seats. We've got USB ports, a cell phone charger. We are also OnStar ready. We've got our rear seat controls, hatch release. And our interior color is black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows and locks. We've got 2 bucket seats, which also include heat. We've got rear climate control settings, USB ports, and the seats do fold down and forward for access to that third row. 60/40 split bench seat. And onto our exterior. We've got a roof rack, running boards, 20-inch GMC rims. We've got rear parking aid with a rear view camera, remote hatch. There's all our cargo space. Seats do fold down to give you a bit more cargo room. All right, there you go, guys. That's stock number 301796. You've just checked out this Titanium Rush 2026 GMC Yukon Elevation. Thanks for watching.